Okay, we're gonna change the spark plugs on this 2017 Honda Civic. EXT is this one that has the sensing, Honda sensing. This are the laser iridiums that I bought, NGK 95112. Of course, 4 of this, and I'm gonna be using a 14 millimeters socket, which is this one is magnetic. First, we unscrew these ones. I pre-checked the gap on this one, which is 0.32, and now I'm going to put it into its place here slowly, and you always do it by hand and make sure they go easily into the grooves until you cannot do it by hand any farther. I think the correct torque on this one is 15 foot-pounds. That should be enough. Now you put the boot back slowly. I put some boot protector or dielectric, so it prevents moisture from coming in. It's easier if I orient it here until it clicks, and then I just simply put the screw back. So I'm gonna tighten a little bit, and that's the first one.